What's going on, guys? It's Daniel here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to do and pass Pi network KYC verification. Okay, if you've been wanting to verify your Pi KYC process but you're kind of scared because you don't know which document to use, I'm going to show you exactly what to do and step by step on what you should type and what you should not type. Okay, for Nigerians, I'll leave a link in the description on a video I created on the required documents you are meant to use. Okay, you are meant to use your premium name slip and not the paper slip. Okay, you'll find that video in the link in the description of this video. But before we jump into this video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I create new videos like this. And I also want you to know that the subscription is free, you don't have to pay anything. So without further ado, let's jump into this right now. I'm actually doing this for a friend. I'm actually doing this for a friend. She's not really here right now, but she's close. Okay, I'm gonna log into a Pi account right now. I'm gonna use this account as an illustration. Let's take for instance that this is your account. Okay, once you open your Pi account, you get to click the mine button. Okay, once you click the mine button, if you have been invited for KYC, you get to realize that mass KYC has been rolled out. Okay, as at the time of creating this video, mass KYC has been rolled out, meaning a lot of people are now eligible to go and verify their KYC. Okay, go for KYC verification. Okay, so once you come over here right now, just click that mine button. Once you click that mine button, you get to see a notification that says you are now eligible for Pi KYC process. Okay, I just hope we get to see that right now. As you can see right here, I am a referrer. I invited her. Okay, I just hope we see that right now. And boom, guys, you are not eligible for KYC process. Okay, this is what you get to see. But even if you don't see it, if you have been following Pi for a while now, you get to download Pi browser. Okay, once you download that Pi browser, make sure you go to KYC.Pi. So I'm going to click on open Pi browser and then click on sign into Pi browser. Okay, these two places. All right, so automatically it's going to redirect us to our Pi browser, and inside our Pi browser it's going to redirect us to this section called KYC.Pi. Okay, just in case you don't see this, just go to your Pi browser, then go to the section that says KYC.Pi. Just click on that, and if you're eligible, you get to know right away. All right, so it's going to redirect us to our Pi browser, and then we'll go to KYC.Pi. So it's loading, and as you can see right here, it says share information with Pi KYC. Pi KYC requesting the following data or permission. Alright, we're going to click on allow, right? Because we want to. If you don't allow, then it's not going to work, obviously. It's outdated, so I'll have to update. Alright. Okay, if it's have been a while since you last updated your Pi browser, just go to Google Play Store and confirm if there's any new updates. Okay, you see green update button, just click on that and you begin to update your Pi browser. I'm just going to quickly, skip this video and then come back when the update has finished. So once that's done, I'll just click on open and then it will log in, take us back to our Pi browser. Now, once you're in your Pi browser, all you have to do is to click on the KYC.Pi option right there. Once you click on that, if you're eligible, you'll get to know right away. Okay, because you see that you'll be asked to provide some required documents. All right. So in my case right here, I'll be using this example for Nigerians. Okay, but it applies to everyone. Okay, for Nigerians, you'll be using the premium name slip if you don't want to use the national ID card. Okay, but I'll recommend you use the premium name slip. All right, that's easy. I'll just click that drop down arrow and I'll explain everything to you in a bit. All right, now to get your premium name slip, you have to download the official NameC app. All right, you have to download the official NameC app from Google Play Store. All right now we'll be asked to select our country. All right, I'm going to select country. Okay, like I said before, I'm going to select Nigeria right there, and I'm going to choose ID type. All right, now for the ID type, you get to see premium name slip, you get to see national ID card. For Nigerians, don't choose national ID card, you choose the premium name slip. All right, if you have a passport or a driver's license, you can use that. All right, but then you take these three boxes. Okay, the I consent to allow social chain, and I am 18 years old or older, and I agree, and everything that you need to check there, just check that three box and then click on let's go. Okay, now to get your premium name slip, just go to Google Play Store, download the official NameC app, and then you get to crop this picture. I explained everything in my video, which I'll be leaving the link in the description. Just follow that and you get to see the whole explanation. Okay, but I'm not going to go into that now because that will be a waste of time. All right, so type in your information, type out a form with details that match the information on your card. Follow the steps on the screen to confirm your identity. You have to make sure that the details you type here matches with your premium name slip card. Okay, don't complicate things for yourself. All right. After doing this, you get to pay the validator 1 Pi. All right, for doing this. For every validator gets and 1 Pi from you for validating you. Okay, it's just for their effort to compensate their effort. Right now you'll be asked to take an ID photo. Okay, make sure the landscape mode is good and make sure that there's good lighting and contrast. Also make sure that the data is clearly visible. Photos fills all of cameras. Okay, so you don't get rejected. But sometimes you might get rejected by the AI, okay, by the system. But if you try multiple times, you get the opportunity to have your ID forwarded to human validators. All right. So what you're meant to do right now is to take a photo of your premium name slip ID, or simply upload the one you have taken a photo of. Now make sure you don't upload your name slip, or else you get rejected. All right. So I'm going to click on add front photo. Okay, and then I'll click on downloads. I'm going to pick the photo I'm going to add. Okay, I explained how I was able to craft this to look like this. You'll find the link in the description of this video. So I'll just go ahead and click on next step, and then you'll land here. Okay, right here you'll be asked to fill out your information. Okay, all your details. Okay, all your document details and your personal details too. All right, like your date of birth, your name, your first name, your last name, your middle name, your zip code, and everything you need to know. All right, so first thing first, I'll just go ahead right now and then type in the name of this person. I'm using her phone to do this. All right, I'm going to type in the name, type in the middle name, type in the last name, type in the gender, type in the year of birth, type in every information, and then I'm going to come back to this video right now. So after typing all the information needed, just go ahead and check that my ID does not have expiry date. That is, if it doesn't, that's for Nigerians though. Now click the next step button, and then it will load you up to the next page, which will say uploading your data. Okay, identity confirmation. Perform a liveness check to confirm that you are a real person. Now this liveness check would ask you to confirm you're a real person by taking a photo of yourself. Okay, you will be asked to look at the camera, and then the next step will be to smile at the camera. Okay, these two things. Okay, that was what, in my case, that was what I was asked to do. All right, look at the camera straight and smile. That's the only simple thing you need to do, just to confirm you are the one that actually owns this ID. All right, after that your application will be submitted. But before doing that, make sure you have a good lighting and your whole face is visible. All right, make sure you don't stay in a dark place. All right, I recommend doing this in the daytime, possibly in the morning. All right, once you're ready, just click I'm ready, and then you carry on with the process. But I'm not going to do that right now because that will be invading someone's privacy. So I'm just going to skip this video and then come back to the next step. So after taking a photo of yourself, it's called a liveness test to confirm that you are a real human. You'll be asked to cross-check your information again, just in case you missed something. So you go back and edit. So I'm going to click on next right now, and as you can see right here, it says picture extraction field. Now you might receive this information sometimes. It's trying to say extraction of a picture of your face from your ID photo field. So please upload a new photo. They're trying to say the picture in ID did not match. Now this is not really a problem as long as you know that the picture you took and the picture you use for the liveness text and the picture you uploaded for your ID is correct and is bright enough. This might just be error from the computer. So what you do right now is to re-upload that picture and take a picture of yourself again. Now this time around, what's going to happen is that it's going to push this your document and your ID to validators. All right, it's going to push this to validators. So I'm going to do this over again and then send this. Okay, and when I do this, you'll get to see that it will tell me that I've successfully applied for KYC verification process, and my application is on queue. All right, so right now it says it didn't capture my face. Where, and as you can see, please note that if your machine automation is unable to match your entire data, you will be moved to human validator. Okay, so this is the picture the person took right here and the picture of the ID. So we're going to move on right now. Let's move on to the next. I'm just going to skip this part, and then okay, I'm going to click on submit and pay, and as you can see right here, it says no, I want to edit. That is if you have anything you didn't get right. So I'm going to click on yes, data is accurate. All right, so uploading your data, as you can see right here, congratulations, your application has been submitted. Thank you for submitting your KYC application. You'll be notified about the status of your application very soon. If your application is approved, you can become a Pi KYC validator. As you can see right here is again, it says welcome back. Here you can track your KYC application status, and your status right here is saying applied and review in progress. This will take a while depending on how many KYC validators are available in your region, so do not hope to get approved immediately. All right, as for me, I got approved in 30 minutes. All right, but it might not be same for you. It might take a week, it might take 1 hour, it might take 2 days, it might even take just 10 minutes for you to get approved. All right, so don't hope to get approved immediately. All right, so but one thing you should know, that if you get approved, then you can now go ahead and become a validator. So this is basically how you get to apply for your Pi KYC process. Okay, this is how you apply to become verified for KYC. All right, so this is the video I have for you today. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. I want you to drop something in that comment section. I don't care, just drop anything. All right, just drop anything. And I want to say this: if you're also new to the channel, then make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and also turn that notification bell on, so you won't miss out whenever I create new videos like this. I create cryptocurrency videos on how to mine free Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu coin, and the likes. And also mine cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Eagle coin, and the likes. All right, so if you're really pumped up about videos like this, how to gain free cryptocurrencies for free, then you should like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Most importantly, just hit that red subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. Subscription is free. It doesn't cost you up to 5 MB of data. It doesn't take up to 5 seconds to do so. It's just so you get notified whenever I create new videos like this. You can also join my Telegram group where I share my video updates, okay, so you get notified also whenever I create videos like this. Link is in the description of this video. Once more, I'm Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.